Good afternoon, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. Came out here to do a video real quick. Hold on one second. Just to show you guys that I cashed out $10 on Slice the Pie. There is an app, which you see right here. I have the app on my phone, and also you can go to the website. So, right here, this is the website, you guys. Okay. As you can see, I've made your current balance is $10 minimum, withdrawals $10. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and cash out. Okay. October 13 month, year. Okay, and the amount is 10. Your withdrawal request has been successfully accepted. So, you guys, I'm going to come back tomorrow, Friday, and I'm going to show you guys that it got transferred over to my PayPal account, okay? So, I cashed out $10. I told you guys I would. My balance now is $0. So, I came out here real quick to just make a video on that, showing you guys that Slice the Pie does work. Okay. Also, while I have you guys on here, I'm gonna go ahead and I wanted to show you that real quick, but there are other sites that I want to talk to you guys about. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. NeoBux. Okay. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this site. You get paid to click on advertisements. They give you This is a really good site. I'm a part of it, and all you do is click on advertisements. There's other things you can do on here as well. You can probably take surveys. Like I said, I'm a part of this site. It's really good. You just get paid. You click on it, the advertisement. You go to the site, let it load, and you click on whatever it tells you to click on, and then you get you get paid for that. I'm not sure what the cash out is for NeoBux, but I just wanted to bring it to your attention because it's another get paid to site. It is basically click and view advertisements, and that's it. Okay, that's all I do. Okay, so and the next one that we're gonna go over is, I don't know if you guys know about these sites, but I'm a part of NeoBux. SuccessBux is another site. Okay. This is another site, you guys. Okay. Right now, you can view advertisements on here. You can do plenty of things, and they pay out to PayPal. Okay. You can view ads. You can do surveys. You can watch videos. Stuff like that. Okay. But this is a really good survey. I mean, not survey, but this is a really good site. So yeah, this is a site you guys should check out. And I wanted to come on and just make a quick, update about the opportunity. I've decided not to go with that opportunity, but to go with a different one, only because there's some things I found out that I didn't agree with. So, like I said, I will be bringing that opportunity to you guys really shortly. Yes, it is a paid opportunity. I'm letting you know the reason why I promote those as well is because if you're trying to maximize your income, you need to do the paid opportunities. You got to spend money to make money, you guys. So, I understand you like the free stuff, but I don't know if, I'm not saying none of you are getting on here working these sites, but you got to put in the work, okay? I understand you like the free sites, but understand that that this stuff is free. You don't have to, you can choose to refer people or not refer people and still make money with it. Okay? But these are sites that I bring to you because I believe you should have these, as a backup. So that's SuccessBux. And the last one I'm going to show you. Hold on one second, you guys. Hold on. Hold on. I was always wondering how you can get paid to watch YouTube videos, okay? And now I found out a site a while ago. It's called YouCubez. And I'm not even lying to you. This is a real site. You can't get paid on here. You can get paid to take surveys, watch videos, view ads, a lot of stuff. They changed it. It didn't, I don't believe, like when I first did it, it didn't look this way. Because I joined this a long time ago, and I don't think it looked like this. I think they added some things over time. But yeah, you guys, I really think you guys should hop on this site, okay? Um, I will be coming on here, maybe sometime tomorrow. I'm putting on my referral links. If you guys want to join under me, or you could just go ahead and join the site, doesn't matter. But I'm bringing you these sites because I believe these will really, really, really work out for you. Okay? Now, like I said, I'm going to be bringing you guys the other opportunity. I'm probably, I don't know if I'm going to do a new YouTube channel for it. I don't know. But I will see. I might just keep, I might just, since this channel's already grown, I might just keep this channel and put it on here. I figure, why not, because you guys should see my paid opportunities and my free ones and make your own choice, okay? But yes, this is a paid opportunity I'm talking about. I'm already a part of one of the opportunities. It's basically, I don't want to give away too much, you guys, but it's basically a very inexpensive one. I'm already a part of one of the opportunities. There's another one that I'm going to join, and it is a monthly charge for the other one, but it's worth it because of the entry fee. It's worth it. Okay, how much you have to pay to get in. It's worth it. Okay, so I will be coming on here possibly maybe tomorrow, talking about it because I'm going to join it tomorrow. I want to get it started tomorrow because, like I said, the other opportunity, I was going to go with it, but, it's taking me way too long to save up the money for it, and I just found out some stuff that I was not okay with. So I don't want to be a part of a company that works that way, so I figured, you know what, just, hop on this one and, tell you guys about it. Some of you are going to join it, some of you aren't. It's not a big deal. I mean, if you guys are interested in making bigger amounts of money, more money, you want to be financially set to where you can, pay your bills and stuff like that, and you want to make the bigger cash or bigger coins, then the paid opportunities is what you should join. Put it this way, if you're investing your money and you're going to get more out, if you're going to get that investment back plus more, it's worth it to put your money into it. Okay? If you're the type of person that knows how you're going to work it, knows exactly what's going to get you your investment returned back to you and plus more, then you should do it. Okay? Like I said, when you invest your money into something, you should always get that investment back plus more money. And that's my opinion. I think you should, if you pay $20 into something, you should get that $20 should come back to you. When someone joins, you should be getting that, you should be earning that back. But like I said, this opportunity is actually, I've watched, there's videos on it already. People are talking about it, and it is, I believe it's a really good opportunity. It's very inexpensive, so I'm going to be talking about it a lot. So just be ready for the video tomorrow, you guys, all right? And I'm going to end the video right now, but I hope you guys join these sites. I hope you guys, I hope branded surveys. Oh, yeah, another one last one that you guys are going to like. I believe it's part of Perk Points. I'm not sure. I believe it's part of Perk. I'm not sure, but let me Let me make this video. It's called Life Points, okay? I just found out about this site, you guys. You get paid to answer surveys and you get rewarded for it, okay? This site is a lot like branded surveys, only it's a little different. When you take surveys on here, okay, when you take surveys on here, you get points, disqualification points. Now, these are, hold on one second, you guys. These surveys are really good surveys, you guys. These are real surveys, okay? These are not surveys, like tap research. Not, you get credited for doing actual survey, taking time going through the survey and answering the questions, okay? And if you don't qualify, they give you points, okay? I don't know how long they're going to do that because disqualification points, it's nice of them to do that only because it shows how much they appreciate you taking their surveys, okay? So, life points, you can do your review on that. Success, excuse me, SuccessBux, NeoBux, and Life Points, and branded surveys. Like I said, Earning Station will be gone by next month. So if I were you guys, I'd hop on it and start working it. Try to reach your $25 cash out as fast as you can, because it's going to be gone soon. Opinion Outpost is the site that they are a part that they have that you can join. Okay, it's a good site. I've already started working on it. But for now, I'm going to stick with, sites that work for me. So this is another site, you guys. Site that I'm a part of, okay? Okay, HighestPayGPT. This is a really good site. You have to have an internet connection, a real internet connection. You can't join through the library. You can't join. You have to have like Spectrum, Verizon type of Wi-Fi, like actual internet cable, I believe, to join this site. Some companies they don't care, as long as you're active on their site. Some do, and this is one of them. I'm letting you know, because that's what it said in one of the statements I read. So I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys join those sites. I hope you guys are having fun with them. And I'll see you guys in future videos.